Morning students and viewers. Today our subject is about shyness and fear. Sharam or dar. These two are very dangerous. Shyness. सबको शर्म आते है एंट्री बोर्ड को उसको ज़्यादा आदमी लोग के बीच में जाए तो शर्म आते हैं डर लगता है सो हाउ वी कैन eradicate this is most important for our life these two are very dangerous shyness and fear are our enemies अपना मित्र नहीं है वो दुश्मन है shyness और fear okay let us talk about this see there are different type of phobia phobia means fear डर PHOBIA some people have different type of phobia एंग्लोफोबिया मीन्स इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए डर इंग्लिश बात करने वाले देखिए डर लगता है उसको एंग्लोफोबिया बोलते हैं PHOBIA ANGLO एंग्लोफोबिया इंग्लिश के बारे में उसको बहुत डर लगता है कैसे मैं सीखेगा हाउ आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश देन फेमिनोफोबिया औरत लोगों को देखिए तो किसी को लड़का लोगों को आदमी लोगों को डर लगता है और शर्म आता है और उसको फेमिनोफोबिया बोलते हैं भय fear FEMINO feminophobia means if you somebody people see the girls or ladies they are got some fear and shyness to talk and deal so that should eradicate then demophobia मीन्स ए लार्ज क्राउड देखिएगा तो ज़्यादा आदमी लोगों को देखिए ना समझो 2000 आदमी खड़ा रहते हैं तो जाने के लिए किसको डर लगता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेमोफोबिया DEMO डेमोफोबिया फियर ऑफ लार्ज क्राउड देन लास्ट वन थैनाटोफोबिया मृत्यु के बारे में सोचते इसको बहुत डर लगता है फोबिया उसको बोलते हैं थैनाटोफोबिया THANATO थैनाटोफोबिया THANATO थैनाटोफोबिया मीन फियर ऑफ डेथ मरेगा मरेगा अभी मरेगा ये सोचते हुए आदमी को ज़िंदगी नहीं है देन शाइनेस सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स लेट अस डिस्कस दिस थिंग्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टू आर वेरी डेंजरस you have to eradicate from your heart and thought then only you can come up in life suppose person have more shyness and fear you cannot enter into the board you cannot talk with any important person that is from the right beginning you have to eradicate from so parents teachers should give attention and the students from the early stage eradicate shyness and fear from their mind and thought otherwise it will problem for in the future how the shyness form it is from the atmosphere of the home some parents are restricted to children so they are not able to open their mouth in the early stage 13 to 20 21 like that give some love caring such students such children are got more shyness in the formative years after 25 they are not able to talk with the opposite sex they are unable to talk to ladies unable to give a speech in the audience they get cold feet they got tongue tied unable to express their ideas because of shyness when the teacher or anybody you give a small speech on the stage no I can't why you got shyness you can't face the audience so this should eradicate from the mind and thought then only can come out how the shyness that boy and girls feel how other people think about me अरे बाद में वो क्या सोचता होगा nothing they are not thinking about you they think about themselves you simply I am walking my style of my gait my way walking the style is different what other people about my body language I am so small I am so tall I am some people call me giraffe I am tall nothing like that I am not fat I am not so handsome all these things make them more shyness and fear you don't care about the public you think about yourself why you are imitate others if you are shyness I want to grow throw it out shyness don't keep with you it is very create problem in your future life you can't meet and talk with any VIP or any suppose you want to meet the honorable governor of your state you can't talk because of fear and shyness you get shivering you should eradicate it in right being. It is within you. And people think that I am weak, I have no words to express, I have no cloudy words to talk, I am not educated, my subject is commerce, I am not language, I am Hindi speaking, I don't know how to talk in English, I am not fluent in that. So many problems they are hunting in their brain. So that ultimately create fear and shyness in their brain. Nothing in this world, nobody thinks about you. You think that others think about me. Nothing. You think about yourself, you make progress in your life. You make headways wherever you go. It is within you. Otherwise you can't occupy higher position. If you want to, suppose in the office you are promoted in the higher office or as a supervisor or superintendent. Nearly 200 people under your kind control, so you will be able to manage them. If you are shyness and fear, you can't manage that department. Totally failure. So that you are not eligible for promotion. You notice you have to quit from there. Be brave. Manage it. I know some people, they are already educated, but management is offering promotion. So they are not accept the promotion letter. So I am not interested in promotion. I'd like to be like this. This means he got fear and shyness to control the other juniors. That's wrong. Promotion should accept it. Should bravely accept and take the charge with department head. Many people, they refuse to accept promotion. So there's a high responsibility. I can't deal with the other juniors. So I can't take any decision. So no, you have to accept promotion and under your control. Many people, you talk sweet smile. Respect the other juniors. Automatically they will start respecting you. Within a few months, you will be the boss of the juniors. They respect you. They will be good mornings, salute and all. So shyness should eradicate from the right beginning. If you want promotion, if you want to talk with any VIPs, if you want to attend any particular interview, suppose you want to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of your state, if you have fears and shyness, you may be highly qualified, but that fear that allow you to go forward. It is trying to pull you backward. So you're shivering, unable to express words, choke up in your throat. So I tell those who are having shyness, it is within you. What you fear, do it first. Suppose you want to meet your principal of the college, something you are creating in the college, any problem. You go and talk with the principal. He is not a lion. He is strict. By the want you help of the students leader or area council or any other, you go and sir, I have committed a mistake. I do admit my fault. I hereby promise I never do such mischiefs or wrong things in the college campaigns. That's enough. Why you want the support of this? Some people want to talk to the police inspector. They are afraid to go to the police station to talk important things. They want the help of some other politician or area councillor. Nothing. Go and give respect to the department. Sir, I am so and so. I came especially to talk to some important things. Sir, would you give some, find out some solution for this? So, if you talk politely, they will accept you. They give warm welcome. Because all are Indian citizens, you are right to talk with anyone. Nothing, you are not from outside of India, you are Indian citizen. Not hailing from China or Pakistan, you are law-abiding citizen. You are law-abiding citizen, you have a right to talk with anybody. Why you want help for this? So what you fear, do it first. आपको पहला मिनिस्टर को मिलने को डर है, पहला मिनिस्टर को मिला अकेले बात करो. कुछ भी आपको एप्लीकेशन देने का उसको या एरिया एमएलए को मिलने का, पहले उसको बोलो so and so. Why you are shivering like that? Nothing. Whatever you have fear and shyness, do it first. Next time it will be continuous, it will be reduced. After a few days, you will be fearless. You can talk even the President of India without go and talk. whatever the first step, whatever you feel, do it. No, I will go myself. I will talk to the area MLA. I will talk to the district collector. I am able. You feel should I am able to do that. I don't want to depend on this. It's within you. Next time, by slowly, step by step, or automatically, your fear and shyness is eradicated. Next time, you are ready to talk even any VIPs without any shyness and fear. Okay, keep it with you. Have a nice day. That's all.